Hey guys, what's up? So if you haven't noticed, I think we're in a new residence. So yeah, I bought a house and it's a mess because I missed recycling day. But today we have something really fun going on. I have a box, and in the box, oh yeah, is the thing to make the car go vroom. All right, you ready? Let's see what we got. We've got a new clutch. It looks like I ordered a competition clutch. And I thought I ordered the Exity clutch, but it does the same thing, right? Ooh, I got a sticker. Get paid to race, road race, drag, drift, time attack, rally, and magazine racing. Ooh, okay. Cool. Got the bearing kit here in the alignment tool here. Nice. The clutch piece thingy here. Nice. And the other clutch piece thingy here. Very nice. Let's see if there's anything else. You know, I'm starting to assume that was pretty heavy, and yeah. My first ever unboxing video, and I almost destroyed my living room. Okay, so give me 1 second. I want to go out to the garage and get everything started, and probably watch a couple of YouTube videos. So this will be like 2 seconds for you, but it could be 20 minutes for me. I'll see you guys out there. All right, guys, so haven't watched those YouTube videos yet, but I do want to show you the old clutch compared to the new clutch. So there is my ACT Stage 2 clutch. What's left of it anyways. Yeah. And here is my new competition clutch Stage 3. As you can tell, that one's new. And that one's not so new. So like I said, give me a second. There's the baby. I'm going to go ahead and get some lights, get into the car, and start cranking. Okay guys, so I did some YouTubing and hopefully I don't screw this up. So I'm gonna be under the car now with my flashlight, and I will try to, yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna skip it and then show it once it's installed because I'm gonna be pretty nervous, so yeah, wish me luck. Yo, what's up guys? So we are currently in the middle of installing the transmission. I got the clutch in, I got the flywheel in, everything's torqued. We got Gary under the car, moving the engine. Robert's helping, drinking a beer.
Yes, sir.
And I'm just gonna stay in here and watch because I'm scared I'll break something, and Gary's a genius and he's the best. Because I am not a car mechanic person. I don't even change my own oil. So.
How's the gap?
How's the gap?
It looks the same. The exact same.
Still?
Yeah.
You want to try loosening the thing some more? Oh shit. The air is off.
That's fine.
Very good. I'm gonna gap it a little bit.
All right, guys, so the good news is we've got the transmission in the car, and Gary is currently installing lay drive shaft. Look at his legs, aren't they cute? So, right now we're doing the drive shaft. Well, not we, he's doing the drive shaft. And then once we do that, we're gonna fill it up with tranny fluid and then start her up and see if we can get the wheels to spin. Right, Gary?
Right.
So, hopefully this next step you see will be me installing tranny fluid or pouring tranny fluid in. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Hey guys, so went ahead and we just got our tranny fluid in. Gary is being so kind to get a light and to film for us, and I am just torquing the bolt back on. I think that's good. So, next up, we're gonna clear everything out from underneath the car. We're gonna start it up and see what happens. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so here's a moment of truth. Battery's on, lights in the car work. It locks. So, oh God, I'm actually really nervous.
Make sure you got a neutral. Parking brake off?
Huh? Off. You want it turned on? It feels so weird.
It starts!
So let's get it down. I want to back that car out of the way, and I want to take it for a spin real quick. Clutch feels good. Dude, I'm so excited. So, look at this man right here. This is Gary. He used to be my neighbor at the old place. Look at that arm. Look at that shit. Oh, man. All dirty, bleeding. He goes, you know what? I'll come over tomorrow night because we're not doing anything, and we'll stay the night at your house. And
Excellent.
I'm a dick. I mean, he's more than welcome to come over tomorrow night if he wants. I want to take you to Love's. I think we should take him to Love's. If he comes to Love's with us tomorrow night, that'll be a good video. But right now, the plan is to get the car off the jacks and get her into motion. So if you don't mind, give us a few minutes to get her off, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got it off the jacks. She's off, ready to go. I'm gonna ask Gary to stand out there as I back out so you guys can get the good exhaust sound.
Well, guys, it sounds like he's coming back now. I think I heard him stall it a second time at the last stop he was at. so. It's a race car right there.
We gotta start driving it, boys. Yo! Now we gotta clean the garage too. All right, well, as always, if you enjoyed this upload, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't yet to the channel, and leave a comment down below if you think we did a good job. Gary's gonna take a shower and I'm gonna watch, so y'all have a good night. Bye, thanks for watching.